Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I really wanted to do this particular tutorial for you guys and show you this look because I thought it was really nice. It was really glam. It was really like put together, and it just makes you feel pretty. And although some of you may think it's absurd to do this right now because no one's going out, no one's doing it, I think it's the perfect time to be showing you a beautiful glam look like this, so that you can take the time and you can take care of yourself and get done up. Like, this is the most perfect time because you need something to make you feel pretty, to make you feel uplifted, to make you feel happy. And if you feel pretty, you're gonna feel happy and you're gonna feel good. And so why not do it right now? Why not share this with you guys right now? So this is a really glamorous, beautiful, kind of night out type of look, but something you can still wear right now. You don't have to go anywhere to do it. Put the kids down early, get glammed up. You and your husband or you and your significant other have a romantic dinner at home. Like, that's okay, and you can glam yourself up and do all that kind of stuff. So this week the theme is self-care, self-beauty. Take care of yourself, because it's the little things that get you excited, that kind of push you through hard times. And it's hard right now, and it's scary, and it's just nerve-wracking. So doing something to distract yourself or to make yourself feel better and beautiful and taken care of can go a long ways. So that's why I'm showing you guys this look today, and I'm sharing it with you guys. And you don't have to have the exact same products I have. Just look through and see what kind of shadows you have that kind of match mine, and you can create this look. So it's actually really simple. Like I said, this week it's all about self-care. So on Friday I'll have a quarantine self-care, do it all at home video for you guys. Pamper yourself video. So make sure you come back for Friday's video. Make sure you're subscribed, make sure you hit that notification bell so you're notified of all my future videos, and make sure to go check out my Instagram. Go say hi to me on Instagram. I am very active there on my stories especially, so if you want to see what's up with me, what I'm doing at home, what look I'm wearing that day at home, just go check me out on Instagram. And if you like this look, make sure you give me a thumbs up. It really helps me when you guys give me a thumbs up. Also, you guys, if you like this look, share it with your girlfriends, share it with people that you know, share it on Facebook, because somebody else might want to watch this video and might want a beautiful look that they can just do at home, and might really enjoy this video, or it might just distract them from what's going on. So I haven't done a tutorial in a while, so I'm not like chit-chatty as I would normally be, but I'm getting back into it, you guys, so give me a break. I hope you guys enjoy it. But yeah, let's get started with this makeup look. Okay, so let's get started. I'm gonna start by using a primer on my lids, and this is the Luscious Angel Eyes eyeshadow primer base. I really just like it. So I'm gonna start with that. You can use concealer or whatever it is that you want. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to get into the Violette Voss Essentials palette, and I'm going to get into the shade Sand right here. So you don't have to ever, with any of my tutorials, use the exact same color that I use, like the exact same shadow from the exact same palette. You can always just find a color that's similar in shade with a palette that you have at home. So I'm using this above. This is my crease here. I'm putting it above that, but below my brow, and I'm leaving a little bit of space right directly underneath my brow for a highlight shade. So this is just my transition shade. Then I'm going to get to the Jaclyn Hill Morphe Volume 2 palette. And I'm going to get into this one, Perfectionist, right here. With a fluffy brush. And I'm putting that in the transition shade. And I always like to do my eyes first because That way, if I mess up, I just have to take off my eyes and I don't have to take off my full makeup. So I'm gonna start putting this Comfort Zone color right here, which is a little bit darker than the color we were just in. The same brush, I'm gonna start putting that in the outer corner and the inner corner as well. And into the crease. And I'm going to try to leave the middle part here bare, because I'm not going to go back in with a concealer or anything like that, so you definitely want to be a little bit more careful. Okay, so now I'm going to go back into the Violette Voss palette and I'm going to use Cinnamon, which is right here. It's like a darker brown, and I'm going to do the same thing in the outer, in the crease, and in the inner. Just to deepen it up a little bit. And I'm going to go in with this fluffy brush and I'm just going to blend everything. Okay, so now I'm going to go into this lightest shade here from the Jaclyn Hill palette called Certified, and I'm putting that right underneath the brow. I'm so excited to start filming. I was antsy all last week because I was so excited to start filming. Okay, this is the star of the show, you guys. This little baby, this single that I got in a boxy luxe or boxy charm. It's from Ace Beauté. The Glimmer Shadow and Iced Latte. So it looks like this. It's like this gold foiled color. I also received this one called Cotton Candy in that same box. Absolutely gorgeous, and you can use either one of these in this look, but I'm going to use the gold. They're both absolutely gorgeous. So I'm going to start with a brush, a flat brush. This is the ColourPop E3, sorry. I'm going to get in there. It's like a cream. And I'm going to just put that just in the middle. If I have to use my finger to blend in the outer parts, I will. And then I'm going to use my pinky and really pack it on the middle. Really pack it on. See how gorgeous that is? And you can do wing liner. You don't have to do wing liner if you don't want to. I don't remember if that look that I used this on, if I did wing liner. So I'm just gonna go straight in with lashes. These are the Morphe lashes in the style Obsession. I'm obsessed with these. They're gorgeous. I'm gonna first put a black in the tight line, close to the lashes. I was going to do a favorites video for you guys, but I decided to do this video first this week and then do the favorites video next week because I haven't done a tutorial in such a long time that I really wanted to do a tutorial video. So you'll be getting a late favorites video from me, guys. Just in case you're wondering the products I've been loving, if you find an itch or you decide that you want to go buy something for yourself, here I'll give you recommendations of things I think are really good and worth your money. But I've been dying to share some of my favorites, and these eyeshadows are one of my favorites because they are so beautiful, so amazing, look so good. Okay, there we go. Super fancy, super beautiful lashes. Okay, so let's start on the face. I haven't used the Morphe Foundation in a long time, so I thought I would use it. So I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I'm going to put that on. And then here we go, the Morphe Foundation. I'm in 2.50, which is an olive shade. I've been non-stop using this Hourglass concealer, so we're gonna use this. It is my favorite right now. And I'm gonna set that using the Becca Hydro Mist setting powder here. I'm gonna use my Marc Jacobs bronzer in the Tantastic Omega bronzer. Why not? I'm gonna contour. So for blush, I'm using the NARS Orgasm Blush because I just love it so much. Putting some on my nose because I like that look. This blush matches the eyes so perfectly, you guys. Can't even tell you, like it matches really perfectly. All right, I'm gonna finish the rest of underneath my eyes. So I'm just gonna go into Comfort Zone, which is this one, and I'm putting that on my lower lashes. And I'm gonna use a black eyeliner in the tight line, or the waterline, sorry. I'm going to use the color Cream in the inner corner. This is from the Violette Voss palette I was using earlier. So this is the Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in Illuminati. But you can use whatever highlight you want. Just something that's like a little bit more champagne-y, goldy. Something in the middle. Just... oh. This is so gorgeous. You guys, just because you're stuck at home doesn't mean that you can't get all dolled up or anything like that. Have you guys, oh, this is something I wanted to talk to you guys about. What shows have you guys been watching during this whole staying at home business? Comment below and let me know. I just watched The Tiger King and wow, it is insane and crazy. If you haven't seen The Tiger King, it's insane, absolutely, and crazy. I can't even tell you. So I'm gonna put on the Jaclyn Hill lipstick in Amazeballs. Is this even still out there? I don't even know. And then I'm gonna use this. This is the Grandlips Hydrating Lip Plumper in the color, I don't even know what color it is, but it's like a peachy color. So I'm gonna put that on. I'm just gonna set it with the Too Faced Do You spray here. Oh, it feels so good. Freaking feels so delicious on the face. Got little bits of stuff. This is a beautiful look. Just look at this, guys. This whole look just came together. I hope you guys really like it. I love the golds, the peaches. I love how it's something you can still wear to dinner, but if you were going to like a dance to prom, you could still wear it to like prom. And I know no one's going to dinner, no one's going to prom right now, no one's going to dances right now, but I'm saying if this is future you watching this, I love this look. It's one of my favorites. But anyways, we're all stuck at home. I hope you guys are seeing the positive side of it. I know there's a lot of scariness going around, but even though it's a forced situation upon us, I think it's nice that we all get to be home and spend time with our family. And I hope that you see how special that is and that you really enjoy it. And yeah, I'm serious, you guys. Put the kids to bed. Have a special dinner with your husband, with your hubby, date night in, watch a movie, look all gorgeous, just enjoy yourself, and you'll see how much better that makes you feel and how much more in control and just lovely you'll feel. I don't know. I hope you guys really like this look. I absolutely loved it and had to share it with you guys. And if you do recreate it, make sure you tag me on Instagram, make sure you share it with me, make sure you let me know in the comment section. That would really uplift my day, make my day, and I would love to see that, you guys. That would be really, really awesome. So make sure you guys do that, and don't forget to come back on Friday for Friday's pampering, self-loving video. But I guess I'll see you guys later.